If me a fuck you with dream murder anybody feel me we make a crime scene. Give me neck, that man you take. Swell up your cum because you give the best success. Pussy, 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 pussy. Wine girl then. Right old girl then. Come in a cup and she drink it mixed with liquor and ice.
God have mercy upon us.
Slap me cocky on your tongue, you're the best. Skinny thought for me, girl, me loving all your flips.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
So Alkaline drop again, viewers and subscribers, and all of a sudden, everybody in them feelings. So Alkaline drop him Gyal Good music video. Now we all know how Gyal Good are going already. So now the video drop for compliments the song, for show where the song are talk about, or for depict where the lyrics are say in the song, viewers and subscribers. And also one key point in the music video we want to highlight from early out is that Alkaline was so smart in the way how he use or display the whole PPP part of the song, the pussy pussy part of the song. The video start and bro, out of the box, Alkaline and them team I think outside of the box. When the video start and you hear pussy pussy pussy, a cat then in the video with the woman a rub down the cat like she a rub down her cat. Viewers and subscribers, you know it, girl. Pun intended, metaphorically speaking. The woman a rub down her cat. Literally, the woman a rub down a cat, seemingly depicting or displaying like she a rub down her kitty or her kitten, viewers and subscribers. So, we there to review the music video. And I don't think I have reviewed the song yet. Me don't review a whole heap of songs, but I don't think me reach upon Gyal Good music or Gyal Good song yet for review it. So might as well we review the whole song and the music video, even though everybody is familiar and know about everything what Alkaline sing about. Because him break it down in a simple form, boy. I mean a hiccup, I don't know why, but Alkaline break it down in a simple form for everybody because you don't know how the dancehall fans them stay already. Some of the fans them can't take the whole technical stuff. And Alkaline is that artist where him technical with lyrics and how him spit lyrics. Some people, it fly over some people head most times. So yeah, Alkaline known for that style, the technical. So I break down the Gyal Good song simply in a simple form. So everybody can catch it down to the little picnic can catch a song like this. And right now, Gyal Good are hottest song in the space of dancehall, as I was saying in my previous vlog. 1 month and still being dominant in the space of dancehall. So, let me just jump in the video and watch and see what Alkaline are going with him and all of them nice girl here. One thing also I can say again, viewers and subscribers. Alkaline went vintage on this music video. You hear me telling you? Vintage, even the visuals you can see it, I give off a vintage look. The ladies them in that video, them in them short hairstyle, they like the ladies them in the 90s. Viewers and subscribers, the dancehall 90s type of style where the girl them in them short up shots and them in them short hairstyle. So make a jump in the video and see where Alkaline are going with.
Pussy, pussy, pussy. Wine girl then. Right old girl then. Walk over hey, one thing one.
Yo, my love, oh, the sound, the speaker box, them like literal dancehall party, a dancehall vibe. All needed right now in that video, one whole crowd of people surround like it's a party a go on. But I love the sound box, the sound system them put up. I like this, but all of a sudden I hear people make all sort of comparison. Like, is it that a certain artist alone can have them type of vintage style and the music video? Who didn't notice that the culture come back around now where we are bring back the old time style them to the modern days so the younger fans them can get familiar with it. Remember, you have artists like Sean Paul and them artists, they know where the music video, all Rihanna and Drake, when them a do work. I want to see them in the mesh marina and the sound system, the speaker box, them, and the ladies, them and the man, them just a gyrate and a wine in their party. Other vibes, yeah, the music video I give. Sound box, the girl them a broke it down, the girl them a wine and jiggle up them body. And them a do the most, you know, the freaky stuff and the cup and all sort of shit. But yeah, the comparison, it all go on because of dancehall, you know. Competition is always at the forefront of everything where artists do. In a dancehall, worse if you're an artist like Alkaline, Kartel, or Massacre, Popcorn, or them top artists. So yeah, the comparison I go on, and man I say Alkaline was inspired by the music video, by Vybz Kartel music video with him and Shensi. And I'm like, bro, this is dancehall. This is what dancehall has always been. One artist wasn't the artist where I really display them things in the music video, the vintage style. So my props to Alkaline for even in him Jamaica clothes. Even a Jamaica sweatshirt or, you know, like a pullover, something like that. Yeah, it's a sweatshirt. So Alkaline in him Jamaica colors, big thing for that dog. Yo, the culture, I think go forward, you know. This crab in a barrel mentality wanna comparison and I talk about artists I follow this artist yeah. And one bag of artists inspire a man I live in a man shadow and one bag of fuck because I see it in the comment section. I be that the people them. Yo, I want to some of them clowns there, but I could get back to your video. Alkaline say one thing more want them to understood. You know hear dog? One thing more want them to understood. When girl good, girl good. And the girl them get the assignment right there, then and done, viewers and subscribers. When girl good, girl good. And right now, throughout this whole season, going to the summer, the girl never talk, say them good. When girl good, girl good. And that the girl them been a talk about nothing else. But when girl good, girl good.
You pussy top thing, she wine proud. When girl good, girl good.
Yo, I love how the girl them a gyrate in that music video. The girl them just a bubble and a dance. And the rhythm just a... And this a authentic dancehall beat, you know. You hear the beat a thump. You hear the drum and the bass and everything a connect. Boom, 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 boom. When girl good, boom, boom, boom. And the girl them just a bounce and a jiggle. Yo, dog. Yo. The video complements the old song because you don't know how music go. This music video can go far because the bigger the song gets, the bigger the music video gets also because more people are going to get in tune with the music video. You remember when Alkaline did drop with the thing music video and then that song got bigger and bigger because it also went on Grand Theft Auto, San Andreas viewers and subscribers. Yeah, that is how music is. And being that Alkaline drop a music video, this song I go take it time I get bigger and bigger. And the music video I go accumulate more views over time. Don't watch because you don't see the views now go up like some other artists where I paid promotion and I buy up this bag of bats from India. Do not watch that. You see, longevity is key, you know. Not we're at now and then later on, nobody remember them. But let's get back to the music video. Yo, I love that part there. With the girl, throw the cup, the ice in the cup. And the camera, like the video camera, it shows like the video camera there in the cup. So the girl that put the cup on her head, yo, dog, Jano. The creativity and the editing within this video, all these key points that I'm giving out for this video, viewers and subscribers, dog, it's just crazy. How Alkaline and the team got together for do this, viewers and subscribers. Crazy. Dog, me not lie, viewers and subscribers. This music video, they put it together. They put it together well. From the kitten in the start of the video as the pussy to the ice are going like up because as me say, the stuff where Alkaline sing about, the music video I figure they pick it. So the kitten and the ice in the cup liquor and the cup I go at the end. Jaja God. She mix it with the ice and liquor and put it on. Yo, dog, that bad, dog. That's crazy. This is one of a celebrate, dog. This song is giving off the dancehall flavor. This is why that song I reach to BBC One Extra over the UK, you know. And the more and more that song I get big, the more and more the culture gets highlighted. So a video like this where Alkaline, they're in Jamaica, they're downtown, because these popular spots we want to see in other music video, yeah. We want to see it also in other artist music video, because these spots are very popular. Ain't no one artist own these spots are supposed to be doing video alone at these spots. I know one artist alone. So Alkaline doing this is the hypocrisy in dancehall, you know. When Alkaline do something, everybody has a problem. But when other artists do something where other artists do, there is no problem, there is no pushback. But when Alkaline does it, it's an issue. So Alkaline, the downtown in them, you know, popular spots here where music video are showed, because he's showing the culture. He's showing the dancehall theme. Kartel did it with Panic Him and Shensia. Alkaline do it. What is wrong? Won't have a problem. Won't have a cuss. And no, really. Every time when the always approves the Alkaline I key man in a dancehall, because everything he does, it is a problem for Uno. The girl them in them skimpy short up shirts, them high heels, them short ear, giving off that 90s dancehall flavor when the girl them a roll out for God a party. Won't have a problem. Won't just give thanks. The girl them time and the girl them song. All of the man them a cuss and a ball and a compare and a Ray, this a man a that, Ray, dog. Some I wanna forget SYM on the mother enough for real, in a dog. No lie. The beat go hard and crazy, dog. You set it, man, I'm on the right. Yo, dog. Dog, you don't see the girl them all a split in the video, dog. The girl them a split in the video. All of that, yo, dog. This is crazy. The girl them a go hard. Remember when you have a video like, remember how it got the video with when me a Baby Sham and the other girl who sing say, wind up your body, she a wind up your body, wind up your body, and all the song with Charlie Blacks and J Capri with the girl them a wind up their body, and you know what, the dancehall flavor. That is what Alkaline's music video is giving our viewers and subscribers, and me have to commend him and me have to give him props to say, yo, these artists we all at the where they are the forefront, where we all at certain high standards. We have to acknowledge when them are help push the culture, when them are help push the genre, highlighting some, highlighting some popular things in our culture, some key points where the person we're out there in our world, we're not familiar with our culture, can get familiar with it by watching these videos. Because, no lie, music video pushes songs a far away. That is why most artists I drop music video and them now drop the audio itself. But Alkaline is winning on all angles, because he might win from the audio and he might win from the music video, and he's been doing that for years. When him drop song like Now For Like and him get the video, him drop song like Kriya and he get the video for the audio. So he might win in both ways, viewers and subscribers, and that's smart of him. I'm guessing him know why he might do that. Some artists not gonna do that because them don't have the impact they like a Alkaline. So I'm guessing Jaja God, something wrong. But I could go back to your video.
Blow me like fan, look like a hydrant. I mean, and if you fuck over, and I want put it on our phone.
Yeah, dog, this is what I talk about, viewers and subscribers. The vintage style of Alkaline pull off another music video, yeah, with him being in them Jamaican colors, and the girl them in them short up shorts, or them, you know, them jeans pants, them short up jeans pants, what you call that, belly skin or something like so. And them have on them you know, them short hairstyle. Dog, we have to comment that, we have to compliment them thing, dog. The song already big already, you know, so the video I help complement the song. I help push the song further with all of this vintage dancehall 90s flavor and style. And this is what we need more of. Won't I find problem with? This is what we need more of, the artists them giving off the dancehall flavor. Remember, Alkaline been overseas doing music video overseas with some high budget music video. Like you know, see music video with Alkaline in, with McLaren, with helicopter in a video, they're on private island with Lamborghini and Ferrari, all of them style of viewers and subscribers. So with Alkaline being in Jamaica, doing music video in a Jamaica, giving off a vintage dancehall 90s style, dog, we have to compliment him, dog. We know have to give the youth him prop, but we know it going on. Great man always gonna get a fight. And a king is never crowned in our own country. So because Alkaline is who he is, them always a fine problem. Man say him drill the girl pum pum. Drill it, do it like chore. Pum buckler, the man I give the girl chore for the dog. Man say him drill her pum pum, do it like chore. Jesus Christ. Yo, the dog lyrics, the dog is a poet, as I always tell you. Oh, Alkaline write lyrics is not like the average artist. He writes the lyrics like poetry first, and then he goes into the studio and sing them in the booth, viewers and subscribers, and it come off fluent, it come off easy and smooth. You remember the little freestyle where him did that with wet hole, and the man say, here now, get low. The girl a choke the wood and mouth full up, and she a tech soul. The cock something another, and the cocky, yeah, dog. Alkaline bad dog, just literally bad dog. The man is a poet, dog. And you see, when when an artist is like a poet, he's very polarizing, bro. Bro, he's very polarizing. An artist with a poet like Alkaline, you know. Me a telling you, bro. Them man are different, dog. Them man are compose music. Him not just do music like the other regular artists. Them will just write few lines and get piece of verse and says a song. Them man write like he's a poet. And as I'm telling you, he's a poet because everything on listen to lyrics them, on hear the literature device them, on hear all of the metaphors them, the similes and everything connect, even the ad-libs them when add to him songs them, viewers and subscribers. Man say the girl bust it up for me. The girl bust it up for me. For me knock it up clean and poor. Clean and pure. Me sink it in your deep. Dad, channel. The video, yo. When you see the video, you know, as I'm telling you, you know, the dirty background, you know, the dancehall flavor, and from the album cover art, you know, see the background, the rusty wall and the rusty roof, and Alkaline sitting down on a stall. So the whole theme of the album is giving culture, viewers and subscribers. So the video them are gonna give culture also. Other than Keyman and No Emotion when they overseas and them do the video them with the Rose Rice and the, you know, the McLaren and the Lambo and all of that. Him come back a yard now and I give way vintage, yardman style, dancehall style. And I am loving it, viewers and subscribers. Alkaline really mean business when him run out this year, say alone foot in at them neck. Yo, me love that, dog. Me telling you, dog. One thing me love about the video, it's the vintage style where it give off. The vintage style where it give off. Me love it, viewers and subscribers. And not many artists that do this nowadays are probably the top tier artists, them like the Kartel and the Massacre and the Alkaline and probably all Popcorn, because I'm always a shoot video in Jamaica. But the vintage style, them, yeah, dog, me love it, dog. Me love it. Uno see girl in our mesh marina a while ago. The girl in our little mesh marina. Yo, dog, I want to know, dog. Run up the numbers for the song, dog. Run up the numbers, Vendetta fans. Run it up, because the song already big already, you know. It's just the video where I help big up now. We are build the video because this song gone over 1 million ad views, a million ad streams over Spotify. And right now it's 3.7 million views on YouTube, just the audio. So the song already gone. The song gone through the gate, viewers and subscribers. And the fuck about this, viewers and subscribers. When Alkaline has spit the lyrics, come in her cup and she mix it liquor and ice, wanna see the girl open up her mouth, ready to take whatever of our Jaja God. Jano, what yo, if I mean did I edit a video, you're still in a dog. Me da put a cucumber in that video, you know. Make Alkaline hold a cucumber close to the girl mouth and she open up her mouth, but probably YouTube guidelines and restrictions might restrict the video, so they have to keep it PG in our sense, viewers and subscribers, which is why we saw the kitten as the pussy. But nevertheless, viewers and subscribers, the video shot, the video bad, it was well edited and put together the right way, because every time Alkaline mention come in our cup, we notice the video got to one of the girl them having their mouth open up, and enough people are cuss, but the come in our cup part, you know, it caused a whole controversy. But Alkaline doesn't give a damn about whatever one want to say. The dog in a blood cleat red robe. Alkaline, what you doing in a robe, dog? And the girl them there in a room. And man have 2 girls in a room and the dog there in a room. The girl just the dog come like him just a freestyle and a enjoy life. Dog in a robe, 2 girls, you know, half naked, rascal.
All in me sleep, me a fuck your wet dream. Murder anybody for you, me we make a crime.
Dog say all in me sleep, me a fuck your wet dreams. Murder anybody for you, me we make a crime scene. Dog. Lyrics overdrive, lyrics videos. The man is a real poet, as me telling you. The man a telling you, dog. Ain't no average nigga gonna put lyrics like that together. All in me sleep, me a fuck your wet dreams. Brother, anybody for you, me will make a crime scene. Come on, bruh. Ain't no regular nigga doing that. The man said, give me neck. Tap man your tech. Swallow up your cum, cause you give the best sex. Blood clean, what? The girl a slap the lollipop on her tongue. Hey, all of the ladies them, you know, all of the freaky ladies them, because freaky ain't no crime. If you're a freaky lady, it's not a crime, ladies. It is not a crime. All my freaky ladies, make sure, say, when you turn up to New Rules Miami with your lollipop. Or better yet, carry Alkaline and the team. Make sure, say, at the gate or at the door of the Miami event, make sure all the ladies get a lollipop, dog. Because when Gyal go turn on in the party or in the concert and they start singing, them just pull out their lollipop and sing it. Yo, dog. Crazy viewers and subscribers. This is just crazy. I love how the girl them just a gyrate and a shake up. You know them shorts. What? Who not like a video with a girl just a shake and a vibe and everything connect together? Anybody not like that video, yeah? Any man, we are not the video. I must have batty man. Come on, don't run. Soap me have to check if your period come. That part was crazy, dog. When the man say I have to check the girl to see if her period come, because she wet up your frig. Dog, Alkaline is crazy with lyrics. And he's known to be controversial with everything with him say. Him always gonna put some controversy in or something, because dancehall is a controversial space. So as an artist, you have to be both controversial and also extremely talented. And Alkaline is both of that, viewers and subscribers. That is why him got to work or him got to work. The dog say him have to check his girl to blood clean, cause it come like a must her period come, cause she wet up.
Come here, don't run. So me have to check if your period come. One thing I want them to understand.
You not see that part there? You not see that part there with Margus Garvey look on the girl? Me I wonder if you not see it. The part with the man I look on the girl. Marcus Garvey up on the wall. And because the girl a wind up herself. I like that editing, bro. I like that editing. Whosoever edit that video, yeah. I think a maniac edit the video, them say. Yeah, maniac it say. The dog edit the video well proper. Man of Marcus Garvey a steer upon the girl a jiggle up her body. Blood cleat. Ooh, if Marcus Garvey a dead man, right? And he want look on the girl a jiggle upon the wall. Want to take me for the want to think me I go do? No must watch her a jiggle to man. What's that? What that? Ross, data department. Blood cleat, the girl them a get charged. The girl, yo, I'm telling you, I like the video, dog. The way how it choreography, the way how it put together, the way it direct, the way it edit, I love it, dog. The girl them a get locked up for them good. The girl them a get locked up because them too good. Data department, and that the girl them a get them mugshot viewers and subscribers, rascal. The girl them a get them mugshot, me bumbo. Enough people nowadays, them not taking music video the real way, you know, and them not look on the depths behind of certain music video. You see all of the vintage style them wanna get from the outfit to the background, the whole aura of the video is top notch. The aura of the whole music video, it is top notch. When you see the editing, the camera editing with some vintage style, giving off that 90s flavor with the ladies them, you know, them short shorts and them short ear and the type of top wearings where the ladies them are wear, right? The type of top gown, what they call it? I don't know what them call them top. But shirt or whatever, skirt, blouse, the type of blouse or the type of top where the ladies them are wear. And them back outside and just them front cover up. That is 90s dancehall. That is style of 90s dancehall. So Alkaline doing this, it's great for the culture. More artists doing this help to highlight the culture, cause you see, in the Spanish market, the Latin market, when them do them song and them sing them song and do them music video, they always showcase their culture. They always give you that flavor of their culture when them show the music video them. So dancehall artists are doing that mostly now. It's a plus. It is a plus for the culture with the artists them are doing it. So yeah, the music video, it's shot, dog, and the song gone long time, dog. The song gone through the roof. Viewers and subscribers. So the video I compliment the song. Yeah, it's another plus for Alkaline. He might win both ways now from the audio and the music video. So artists only drop music video out the road now and them have them audio on the streaming platforms them like Spotify and Apple Music. But Alkaline I win from the video, the audio, off of the streaming platform them. He might win in all angles. And the music video is shot. I'm not seeing a problem with it. Anybody who have a problem with it, it's either a batty man. Sorry my language cause I know YouTube got to work, but it's either something wrong with you, dog. It's either something wrong with you. The video shot to me. But viewers and subscribers, tell me which part of the video you love the most. Make me know in the comment section. You know it go. Me I go cut it right here so. You know our vibes and insight with Nando with another episode and another vlog for you the viewers and the subscribers. A mad thing. I'm out. Peace.